Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafa Tahir and I'm back with another video. Guys, this won't be a development stuff video. Instead, we are going to learn about a new package which is developed and designed by Marius Hofler, I think, and it's pronounced as Flutter Enhancement Suite. So let's see how we can install this first. So I'm using the Android IDE. Head over to settings and then head over to plugins, and under plugins redirect to marketplace and search for the Flutter Enhancement Suite. And when you get it, just install it. I have already installed it. And guys, you don't need to restart your IDE. And once you install this, head over to pubspec YAML and head over to the packages. You will see something like this, every package being underlined. Let's say I want to install a new package. How can I get it? Instead of redirecting to pub.dev and manually doing this stuff, I can just, I want to install get. I've pressed G and it has given me suggestions. And when you press it, why it is not giving the version? I think there might be some issue. I think there might be some issue with the Android Studio. Okay, never mind. So what I can do is press Control and just click. Control and click, and you will be redirected to the particular package. And from here, let's say I want to use for get. Four point 6.5. Yes, install this package. And once installed, we are enabled to do some other stuff which we were doing manually. So it has automated the stuff, and now I can press Control and I'll be redirected to the specific page. And there is one other thing that you can see a green underline. It's because, and when you hover it, it's saying there is a new version available 1.0.5. And I don't need to go to the pub.dev. Instead, just update the package via the Flutter Enhancement Suite. So it has updated to 1.0.5. So there is one more thing, guys, that if I want to create a new Dart file, and in that I want to create a stateful or stateless widget, I had to do it manually. And now what I can do, right click the lib, and under that you can see that there's a new property named as Flutter widget. Just name the class, let's say test widget, and define the type. Let's say I want this stateless widget. Just click it, and you can see it has automatically created the Dart file as well as the stateless widget. So it's been easier than before. And there are also more stuff available that won't be covered in this video. They've also fixed some issues, the previous issues, and a good rating of 4.8 or 4.9 is available. So this was it, guys. Here I will wind up this video. I hope you like it, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon. and share this video within your community. And guys, do let me know that what can be improved in this video series, as I'm open to your responses. Thanks for watching and be safe, and Allah Hafiz. See you next time.